Gestational diabetes and hemoglobin A1C. One should be diagnosed as diabetes mellitus in pregnancy if one or more of the following criteria are found. Fasting plasma glucose 7 millimole per liter, that means 126 milligram per dl. 2 hours after plasma glucose 11.1 millimole per liter, that means 200 milligram per dl following a 75 gram oral glucose load. And lastly, random plasma glucose 11.1 millimole per liter, that means 200 milligram per dl in the presence of diabetes symptoms. Hemoglobin is a major protein in red blood cells. A1C is a type of glycated hemoglobin. It is formed as a result of interaction between red blood cells and sugar in the blood. And November 14 is the World Diabetes Day. The hemoglobin A1C test measures glycated hemoglobin, a molecule within red blood cells that naturally binds with glucose to get a good indication of average blood glucose over the past 8 to 12 weeks because the lifespan of red blood cells is 3 to 4 months. The NICE guideline for diabetes in pregnancy state that women with diabetes should aim to achieve an hemoglobin A1C result of 43 millimole per mole, that means 6.1% or lower. When hemoglobin A1C is less than 5.7%, it is termed as healthy. When hemoglobin A1C is 5.7 to 6.5, it is termed as pre-diabetic, and when it is more than 6.5%, it is termed as diabetic. In case of planned pregnancy patient should do a hemoglobin A1C at 1 month interval to reach the target level because she will conceive to avoid congenital malformation. If hemoglobin A1C above 10%, it is strongly advised to avoid becoming pregnant until good diabetes control is achieved and sustained. During the first trimester of pregnancy, the hemoglobin A1C target for women who are suffering from diabetes is the same as for planning a pregnancy, that is 43 millimole per mole, that is 6.1% or lower. During the second and third trimester of pregnancy, from week 13 onwards, hemoglobin A1C should not be used for assessing blood glucose control. When false negative results occur after measuring hemoglobin A1C level, and it is hemolytic anemia, sickle cell disease, and thalassemia, the above condition can result in low hemoglobin A1C level because of shorter lifespan of RBC. On the other hand, iron deficiency anemia can increase hemoglobin A1C level because of higher lifespan of RBC. Certain kidney and liver disease can give inaccurate result. Recent blood transfusion or blood loss can cause inaccurate result. A healthy mother give a healthy baby. Strict blood sugar control is necessary for a good pregnancy outcome. And finally, you have to remember hemoglobin A1C is not used for diagnosing diabetes in pregnancy. Pregnant women without diabetes will be screened for possible gestational diabetes between 8 and 12 weeks of pregnancy. And an oral glucose tolerance